What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the easiest way to start to earn a passive income online for beginners. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, I want you to pay close attention and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's have a closer look at the easiest way on how you can get started to earn a passive income online. Let's get started. Alright, so before we dive into actually the method that I want to share with you here today, there is a lot of ways that you can earn a passive income, okay? It can actually be e-commerce, for example, but it requires time to set up your own store, okay? You can do that in Shopify, for example, but it requires time and, of course, money. Another quick example could be let's say, for example, you're selling t-shirts on Teespring. That is another way to make a passive income. Making a blog, but all these methods actually requires time and, of course, money. And I found out after all these years that I've been online, what is and what has been the easiest way to get started with is to promote other people's products. Affiliate marketing. And that is really simple because you don't have to create that product of your own. I have created 2 till today, so I know it requires actually to make a good product. It requires time and money, okay? So you don't have to deal anything with that. You don't have to deal with the merchandise, with getting payments, with the delivery, the shipping. You don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is actually find a product to promote, grab a link, an affiliate link, and make sure you will drive traffic to that link. Find people who need to purchase that product that you're promoting, okay? I would say that it would be easier to promote a digital product to get started with, but it's nothing wrong with promoting something from Amazon, for example. I'm going to show you a quick example here in Amazon also. So definitely not wrong, but affiliate marketing is definitely the easiest way to get started. So let me show you a little bit on how you are going to do it as a passive income and the easiest way there. So if you have a closer look, you know that Amazon, they have millions of products. You can promote anything. I don't know you. You might have a hobby for watches, for example, okay? You can do a watch blog or best watches or something like that. Best waterproof watches, best heart rate monitors or whatever. And all you have to do is actually grab these links and promote it, okay? So that is one way that you can do it. You can actually make a YouTube video, a review video about it, and insert your link there. And what I would recommend actually is to get started with a site like ClickBank. Alternatively, you can actually go to OfferVault. They have even more offers, or you can just type product that you know and type in Google plus affiliate marketing and you will find it. But I think you will be covered actually by starting off here. So if you go here to probably one of the most popular niches, would be, let's see here, health and fitness. So if I open it up here, you can see that this is sorted by popularity right now. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see here Flat Belly Fix. You can earn $40.61 by promoting this, okay? There is Organifi, unlock your hip flexors, back to life. So tons of products, Yoga Burn, this is a course. So tons of products that you can promote, okay? And all you have to do is, after you have created your account here, you just grab your link here by just generating a hope link, and this would be your affiliate link. So when someone purchases through that link, let me open it up here in a new tab. There you see. So when they go through the video sales letter here and they purchase, you will make a commission. So what I would do here actually, to show you a little bit, you will need traffic, okay? There is tons of ways and methods that you can drive traffic. It all depends on the niche and the product that you are involved in going to promote, okay? So by just giving you, there is pay-per-click, we have Facebook, okay, we have Google Ads, we have Bing, we have solo ads, works mostly for make money online. What else is there? Blog traffic, YouTube of course, tons of other opportunities. There is native ads. I can't even come up with all the traffic sources, but as I said, it all depends on the niche that you are involved in, okay? And then what you need to do, the next thing is you need to have an opt-in page. Some people call it a squeeze page also. So this is a quick example I have for my course here for Audio Video Mastery. In exchange for the email address, you will see a free video which reveals the #1 video producing mistake and how you can fix it in 60 seconds or less to boost your conversions today, okay? So when someone opts in here, they will be redirected to this tutorial that I show them, and of course later on I promote my course, which is Audio Video Mastery here. Another quick example is the one that is my #1 recommendation. It can look something like this. How to start to earn 200 to 500 per day. I have a case study inside where I show you how I made $420 in 24 hours actually here. So when people opt in, they will receive the case study. Now you will need something called like an autoresponder. Don't experiment, go to Aweber straight away. I've been testing all the autoresponders out there. I've been solo ad vendor for many years, so trust me on this one. Aweber is the #1 go-to opportunity there for as an autoresponder. So get started with that, and you can get started really cheap actually. It's under $20 to get started with. And you will need to drive traffic to that squeeze page. Then of course when you have the autoresponder here, you will need to create a follow-up sequence with emails, because this is how you make the passive income, okay? When people are opted into your list, you can promote, you can connect with that list, and you can do whatever you want. If you want to sell your own product later on, you can do that as well. And here we have finally the offer. It can be affiliate offer, it can be your own course, or whatever. It could actually be a t-shirt or something that you have created for your subscribers there, so you can sell that for a discounted price or whatever. I'm just coming up with ideas here. But this is the most important sequence in the whole passive income idea, okay? And this is, in my opinion, the easiest way, because sure, there is an easier way, okay? I mean, you can go straight here, okay, promoting the offer. But if you spend, let's say for example, let's take a quick example, you spend $100 here. Why have spent $100 and make nothing in commissions while you can have them opted in, and you can make, let's say for example that you make a $30 commission, you sell a t-shirt, you can make $10 on the same customer, okay? And 10 and 10 and so on, and whatever it's going to be. I mean, there is tons of opportunities. It is endless actually, as long as they are subscribed into your list there. So this is how you actually make your passive income, and that is to build an email list. I learned this the hard way in the past, because I got started with Facebook traffic. I woke up one day, I mentioned this in the past, I woke up one day and I had it gone. So that was goodbye to a couple of thousands of dollars and the countless hours that I spent there. So I got started with email marketing. I later on became a solo ad vendor also to learn all the ins and outs about email list building. Later on, of course, I also created a course which is Daily List Profits, my own course on how to build an email list for free and make money with that list also. So this is definitely my number one recommendation also. You find a link, of course, you can have a look at it later on here as soon as we have finished here. Just click the link below, opt in to see that case study, and you will also see my number one recommendation, which is based on exact this method, and that is to promote affiliates products actually, but you need to build a list, of course, first. Okay. So there you have it, the easiest way to make a passive income online, promoting other people's products with affiliate marketing and email list building. Alright, if you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below, I really appreciate it. As I said earlier, don't forget to check out my number one recommendation right here below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.